Hi guys, my name is Nuria Handayani and my friend.
My name is Fatima.
My name is Nafania.
Hi guys.
Hi Nuria.
Nuria.
Long time no see. How are you?
Yes, fine, thanks. You?
Yes,
Yes,
fine.
fine. How was your vacation?
It was amazing.
Wow, what do you do?
I visit my parents in our home for 2 weeks.
Where's your home?
Ismail village in Matanga. It's peaceful, clear and beautiful scenery.
Sounds incredible.
Truly amazing.
How about your vacation, Nafania?
I visit family in Makassar. Had I blessed?
That's great, Nafania. What about your Fatima?
I went to
Sure.
it Sand Beach, Amatsin Fee, unforget experience.
Everything sounds exciting.
Yes, everything exciting